Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to discuss the topic osmosis. Osmosis, moving water molecules. Beta, osmosis is a special kind of diffusion. Diffusion can describe the movement of any kinds of molecule. Osmosis is only about the movement of water molecules. Osmosis is a simple process by which the molecules move from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. For example, as soon as your teacher enters the classroom, you can easily recognize the fragrance or the brand of the perfume which she has used. It is because the concentration of the perfume molecules are very high around the teacher, and they move towards the area of lower concentration along with the air molecules, and they reach towards you, and you can recognize their fragrance. The movement of water molecules from a region of higher water concentration to a region of low water concentration across a partially permeable membrane is known as osmosis. A partially permeable membrane, commonly known as semi-permeable membrane or selectively permeable membrane, has very tiny holes in it, which allow only some molecules to pass through it. Water molecules can easily pass through these holes because they are very small, and large molecules like sugar molecules are too large to get through these holes. The examples of partially permeable membranes are cell membrane and egg membrane. Cell membrane of plants and animal cells, water enters and leaves the animal cell or plant cells by the process of osmosis. But this is an experiment. Weak sugar solution has been taken in the beaker. A bag made from a partially permeable membrane is filled with strong sugar solution, and this bag is tied with a piece of glass tube and then put into the beaker of weak sugar solution. As the weak sugar solution and strong sugar solution has been separated by a semi-permeable membrane that has very tiny holes that allow only water molecules to pass through it, you can see that water molecules are denoted by a small black dot and sugar molecules are denoted by large blue circles. Water can pass both ways across the membrane, but because there are more water molecules in the weak sugar solution as compared to in the strong sugar solution, so water molecules will move from weak sugar solution towards strong sugar solution, and molecule will move across the membrane until the sugar solution on both sides of the membrane become equal, as a result of which soon the liquid begins to rise up in the glass tube. First, the level of liquid in the glass tube is this, and after a few hours it will rise up to this level. This is due to the movement of water molecules from the weak sugar solution to the strong sugar solution across the semi-permeable or partially permeable membrane. Next, we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. What is osmosis? The answer will start from this line. The movement of water molecules from a region of high water concentration to a region of low water concentration across a partially permeable membrane is known as osmosis. Up to this. Question number 2. Explain why osmosis is a special kind of diffusion. The answer will start from this line up to this line. Question number 3. What is a partially permeable membrane? The answer will start from this line. A partially permeable membrane has very thin holes in it which only allow some molecules to pass through it, up to this, and you have to add example. Examples of partially permeable membrane: cell membrane, egg membrane. Question number 4. Explain why the liquid rises up the tubing in the experiment shown on the top of page. The answer will start from this line. The concentration of water is higher in the weak sugar solution than in the strong sugar solution. Water therefore moves by osmosis into the bag tied to the glass tube, causing the volume to rise and so move the solution up the tube. Thank you.